Welcome back to our channel Traveling. We are Shivi and Saket and you are watching day 9 of our unforgettable Norway road trip. Today we are driving along one of the Norway's most scenic and underrated routes, the Helgelandskisten National Tourist Route. From ferry rides and fjords to rugged cliffs, hidden beaches and picture-perfect fishing villages, this coastal drive feels like a real-life postcard. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let's hit the road together on this coastal adventure. So today we are doing this national scenic route which is Helgelandskysten and it's also a part of route number 17. So we are on the first stop which is Storvika. You can see behind me it's a scenic bridge and there is a beautiful beach and some snow covered mountains are just right in front of me. So this is the first stop of this route. The first stop was like you can say Solströmmen, but yeah, officially this is the first stop. So this is like quite scenic place and today we are gonna cover this route only, and we hope that if we have time we'll continue on scenic route 17 as well, because it's a part of the national tourist route, but 17 route is a whole route. So we'll see if we have time we'll continue on that route as well, but yes, we'll keep showing you other places as well. Here if you come, there is a parking spot and there is some camping site as well and some grocery store as well. So yes, when you'll come here you'll get some stuff to be like to eat or to spend some time. So it's like a nice spot for picnic as well. So yes, that's that. And yes, as you can see, the weather has been looking good since morning, because when we started it was raining, it was cloudy, but now sun is shining and it's much better. So yeah, let's continue our trip and we'll see you on the next spot. So we are on our next stop in this scenic route. You can see behind me this beautiful place. Can you guess what this is? If I'm gonna tell you, you'll be surprised that this is a toilet. This is a washroom in Norway. So this is like in the list of world's best washrooms or world's best toilets. So you can see the view behind this, like it's so amazing. And like we are gonna just spend few minutes over here and then we are gonna continue. You can see the whole view of mountain range from here. And there are stairs also, so you can even go down to the water and the ocean and enjoy the view from there as well. So right now we are on next stop, which is Brasset Lookout. From here you can see Svartisen Glacier. So just behind me is the arm of that glacier. You can see right behind me. So it's such a beautiful scenery over here. Like all the mountains are snow covered, and in the distance we can see a glacier over here. So this spot is a must visit if you are doing this route, because it's like a awesome place. Sound of the car. But yeah, like sun is shining, weather is nice and everything looks so great over here. So after visiting this we have to catch a ferry for our next place, which is around I think at 3:10. So and after that, like this ferry is after 1 hour or maybe like every 1 hour, so that's why we have to make it to this ferry itself, so that we can catch next ferry, which is like after 4 hours. So yeah, if you are coming off season, you have to make sure that you see the schedule of ferries and try to accommodate them in your journey, otherwise you will be stuck in one place, which obviously we don't want. So that's why whenever you are coming, just check the ferry schedule in advance so that you can plan your route accordingly. So we did it in this morning only, and that's why we have planned earlier. So that's why we know that we only have half an hour over here, and then we have to catch a ferry. So yeah, we'll spend around half an hour over here taking some videos and enjoying our food, and then we'll catch a ferry. So yeah, see you guys on the next spot where we go. So yeah, enjoy this view. Today we have arrived at our final spot, which is Sandishan. Like, it's on the way of the Route 17 that we were doing and the national route that we were doing. There are a few more stops, but we can't do them today because we are already getting late. So now we are gonna go back to our stay, which we have recently booked on Mosjoin. So yeah, it's I think around 60 kilometers away from here. So we'll drive to that place and stay there. And right now we are just watching a sunset from this Sandishan place. Like, it's really the sun is setting right in front of us. It's really beautiful, and we are gonna show you guys also, so you can just continue this video and you will get to see the sunset that we watched. And yeah, right now we'll start back to the start towards our stay for tonight, and tomorrow we are gonna continue our road trip back to Oslo. We'll be visiting some more towns or some more villages on the way, but we still have to plan that trip for tomorrow. So we'll decide on the way where we want to go tomorrow, because we have a lot of options right now. So yeah, we'll decide on the way or in the night today that where we want to go, because we have not booked any stay also for tomorrow. So we have a lot of options. Whatever we decide we can do. Like, it is anyways it is a random plan. So yeah, but yeah, so far the random road trip is going so well. Like, we are getting stays on all the days, and also and we decide on the basis of how far we'll be able to drive today. So yeah, hopefully today we are going to Mosjoin, and tomorrow we'll be able to reach somewhere near Trondheim, Røros, or in that area. So probably it will be somewhere there, but yeah, we have not decided in which town we are gonna stay. In the start of the trip we did visit Trondheim and we stayed there also, so probably not Trondheim but someplace else. So yeah, you guys will get to know tomorrow when we'll decide. So yeah, stay tuned. We have arrived in Mosjoin, and we had booked this property called Mosjoin Apartments. We booked in the evening itself and we got the place. So it was pretty amazing that we got it on this budget, and the apartment looks really nice. I'm just gonna give you a tour now, but let me just tell you that this is off season, so that's why it was pretty easy to get these properties on such short notice. But if you are coming in season, or if you are coming in like June, July or some peak summer, then you have to book these places in advance, because otherwise you won't get the place. This is such a nice camping area also. Right now the camping is not happening, but the apartment and cabins are still renting out. So we were able to get this nice apartment. But I just wanted to tell you guys that we are able to get it because we have came in April. But if you guys are coming in peak summer holidays or peak summer, then you need to book it in advance. Otherwise you won't find any place, or you won't find any place at this cost that we are getting, because in off season obviously the prices are cheaper. So guys, I just wanted to show you the apartment. So this is the place when we enter from the gate. So this is the space for your jacket and your shoes and everything. And then we also had a storage room here over here, which we have put all our luggage. So as you can see, that's the storage room. Then we have the kitchen. It's fully functional, so we have everything we need. There is a refrigerator also, and oven and gas and everything. And yes, we also got some utensils and like everything that we need for cooking. It's there in this kitchen. So that's the kitchen. And then I want to show you, there's a washroom. That's the washroom. It's a pretty decent size, nice washroom. And then we have this living room plus bedroom thingy. So that's the sofa. And then that's, as you can see, the bed and TV. So yeah, that's the whole apartment. If you guys want the link of this property, you can just comment down below so that I can share you the link of this property and you can book for your own trip. Yeah, so that's the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole journey, whole trip, and you guys get to see some places that you might have not seen before in Norway. And yeah, do let us know if you plan to come to Norway and if you need any help from us, so do let us know. Yes, so yeah, see you guys tomorrow, and for now I'm just gonna say good night guys, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hi guys, see, there we are. Right now we came here to see the Northern Lights. We just got an alert on our phone that aurora is strong tonight and we can go and see. So first we saw it right in front of our apartment, but then we wanted to see it completely in the dark, and it's amazing. Like the sky is just colorful right now. You can see behind me also, like there are green lady is dancing over the sky, and there were purple lights as well few minutes ago and we shot them. So yes, that's so exciting. Like this night just turned into magical, and we are gonna show you some amazing shots of Northern Lights after this. So yeah, keep watching. And that wraps up our journey along the beautiful, breathtaking coastal route. We hope you loved this scenic adventure as much as we did. It's definitely one of the highlights of our Norway road trip. In the next and final episode, we'll be driving back to Oslo, reflecting on our entire journey. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.